Good afternoon everyone. In this video I am going to explain you about exponential growth and web cycle. The contents which I have covered under this video is continuously compounded interest, continuous growth rate, doubling your money and doubling time. First I would like to explain you about continuously compounded interest. The formula which comes under this is P into 1 plus R by N into N by T. P is the value that the person has, and R is the rate, and N is the number of time it is compounded in a year, and T is the time. If the value of N is much lower than R, then we can get the value. Then we can derive the formula for continuous rate growth rate, or continuous compounding. In that case, we have derived the formula since it told us the formula in the last section, which comes out to be 1 plus R by N raised to power N is equal to E by R, E raised to power R. So if we put this formula, that is this formula, in this equation, that is P into 1 plus R by N raised to power N whole raised to power T, then we can get the formula for continuous growth rate, that comes out to be P into E raised to power R by T. And I have also shown an example to clarify this formula. In this example, in the first part, the value of T N is much larger than R, so we have to use the formula for continuous growth rate, that is continuous compounding. In the first, I have taken the value of P, that is equal to $10,000 US dollar, and T is equal to 10 years, and rate is equal to 5%. So if we put all the values in the quotient, that is in the formula, that is P into E raised to power R by T, we get the answer, that is 16487. And in the next part, in the B part, we have like in the question it is given that it is compounded 4 times in a year, so value of N comes out to be 4. So in this case, we cannot assume it to be, we cannot assume N to be larger than R, so we have to put it in this formula. So we have to use this formula. So if we use this formula and we put the values, the answer is a bit different. So you can see the difference between the two formula. If we use both of the formula, the answer come out to be different. So we have to check according to the questions that the value of N and R the answer depends on the value of N and R. Okay, this was about continuously compounding interest, and next I will like to tell you about doubling your money. Doubling your money. If we suppose the rate is equal to 5%, so by the help of continuously compounding formula, we can equate the equation like P into E raised to power 0.05, that is rate 5%, into T is equal to twice of P. So in this case, we can cancel P with P, and we can get this equation. And in this equation, I took the log on both of the sides, and by equating it, we can get the time in which our money is going to double, that is 13.9 years. The next sections which comes under this exponential growth and recited is doubling your time. This is the last section. So in this section, we have to double money in 7 years if it is compounded continuously. In this question also, we have to use the same formula of P into E raised to power R by T. So if we are compounding continuously, so in 7 years the annual interest comes out to be P into E raised to power 7R by 100 is equal to 2P. This is the same as the last doubling your money question, but in this question we have to find the rate in which the money is going to, in which the doubling time is going to be calculated, how much time it's going to take. So if we calculate the rate, like the rate comes out to be 9.9%, and it is the actual rate in which your money is going to be doubled within the 7 years time period. That's all. That was all about exponential growth and Reversited. I hope you liked the video, and I'm expecting a lot of likes. Thanks for watching.